Hello guys, today we are going to see how to create QR code scanner app in Android Studio. Let's start. Let's create new project. Keep it empty activity. Give name whatever you want. I am giving QR code scanner app. Now create new empty activity. Give name as scanner activity. Let's see its design part. Paste the code I have uploaded to my GitHub repository, link given in the description. Before that, we need to add some dependencies. So open Gradle module file, paste the link given in the description. Click on Sync Now. Set minimum SDK version to 90. Add one text view to see result. See this beautiful scanner view. Now come to main activity.java. Create one button to initiate the scan process. Now in onClick event, jump to the scanner activity that we just created. Now let's code in scanner activity.java file. Initialize text view. Initialize code scanner as shown and add scanner view in it. Now create setDecode callback as shown. In that, run UI thread to set the text view. This is our scan result. Now create onResume and create request camera preview. And start the preview. Now head towards the main activity.java file. First we need to ask for camera permission, which is required. Create a list because in that you can add multiple permissions. Add the request code whatever you want. I am just taking 11. Now that's it. Now we can test our app on Android device. Run this project and check what we have done. Make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel.